cadence, like look at Portage and in Holland, if you can actually run in synchronization, it'll help the boat not bounce so much. When I portage in a two-man boat, I usually match the same stride, same foot, everything with my partner, and it, of course, it makes sense, right? Otherwise, if you're running at different strides, it makes it harder. So if you can, so Portage and Holland can have the same stride, then you guys just match, and it works really good. I see what you guys are doing. So you actually switch everything. Cool. Lycoming College fire drill. Now how heavy is it up there? Oh, pretty heavy? Probably like 30 pounds or something, so it does get to you after a while. Now we could mount the wheels up further, but there was some reason why it made sense to be back here. We'll have to rethink that. It's maybe just because so there's not so much weight on the wheels. Right, I guess it does help to push down.
Yeah, I can tell as soon as I move up a little bit, they start struggling.
Yeah, so that's probably a good idea.
Leverage.
Probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Can you guys feel the boat get lighter as we push on it? So that's, well, maybe you should just hop in.
Yeah, I probably would right now now. I'd be cruising.
So if Sylvia hops in a boat, she's just trying to help you guys out, all right? While you're portaging.
No, I think it'd probably be dragging the boat.
GoPro